Hello guys, my Smraza Arduino Super Starter Kit just came in. Here is the labeling up here. Here is the and also on the back it shows you everything that comes in the kit. Okay, they also have a contact service card that opens up with a resistor code chart. Right here is a an LCD display. Here is an LCD display. Here is the liquid crystal display right here. Here is a here is a joystick module. There's the joystick module. Right here is a servo motor. Here is an Arduino Uno R3 shield with a mini breadboard on top. Right here is the shield with the mini breadboard on top. Here is a IR sensor. Here is the IR sensor. Right here is a humidity and temperature sensor. It can detect humidity and temperature. Here's the little cables that it comes with. Right here is a rain or like water level sensor. It'll detect how full a glass of water is. Right here is some resistors of different values. There's some diodes in there too. Now right here is the actual Arduino Uno R3. Right here is the Arduino Uno R3 by Smraza. And guys, I'm gonna leave links to all everything in this video. I'm gonna leave the link to this product kit in the description of my video. And let's get the rest of the stuff out of this kit. Here is a breadboard power supply. Here is a stepper motor driver. Here is a 9-volt battery by Power fuel cell. Here is the USB cable for the Arduino Uno R3. Right here is the IR remote that the IR sensor can detect the different numbers and things that you send to it, like a TV remote. Here's the ultrasonic sensor. It detects how far away something is via ultrasonic sound waves. It's the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. In the back we have the breadboard. Now the breadboard is what the it's what the breadboard power supply goes on. So I'm just going to take this out of the box. Here is the breadboard that you would put the power supply on top of. You can also put cables inside of it to connect them, and also integrated circuits. Right here is some LEDs. You can use these in a lot of things as indicators and other stuff. Here is some potentiometers. Right here is some various jumper cables that you can put in breadboards, like I just showed you. Here's the 9-volt battery connector that you could plug into the Arduino Uno, or you could plug it into the power supply and power it off of a 9-volt battery. Here are some bent header pins. Here is the actual stepper motor that the stepper motor driver would fit into with the connector. Here is the 7-segment display. Here is all kinds of different components that you'll use in your electronic circuits. Here is a, I believe it's a shift register. Here is some more header pins and jumper wires. Here is a 7-segment display. And back here is the dividers of the kit that you would put in here to divide the places in the kit. And I'm going to get this out of the way so I can show you everything that came in the kit. Okay guys, that is everything that comes inside of the kit. Except the stepper motor that I didn't put in there yet. There is everything that comes inside of the kit. There's a lot of stuff that will get you started in electronics. And yeah, this would really help you out if you're just getting started in electronics. And I would recommend you go on the link in the description and go pick up this kit for yourself if you're getting into electronics. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.